Gender is a class system, and sex-based oppression was the very first form of oppression to ever exist in all of history. Patriarchy is the core and fundamental oppressive system. These are the main claims of radical feminists. Radical feminists such as Shulamith Firestone and Catherine McKinnon say that gender is a class system, with men being the dominating class and women being the subordinate class. According to these thinkers, gender is not just individual, but it's structural. It is reproduced through institutions, not just attitudes. And this class system organizes who benefits and who bears the cost. In her book, The Dialectic of Sex, Shulamith Firestone explicitly frames sex as the biological basis upon which the first ever class distinction was built, saying that sex is a class so deep as to be invisible. Before capitalism, before race as we currently know it, before the first ever state, women were already being exploited on the basis of their capacity to reproduce. Sex-based oppression is historically primary and precedes all other forms of oppression. And this is because the oppression arises from a universal and pre-economic fact, and that is the fact of women being the ones who give birth. Patriarchy then emerges as the systematic appropriation of women's reproductive and sexual labor by men. This includes control of women's sexuality, control of reproduction, control of lineage and kinship, and especially control of women's mobility and labor. This is why Firestone identifies the family, and not the factory, as the original site of exploitation.